everyone, I'm Rod Angood, Managing Director and Visual Director for Education Alchemists Limited. Today I'm going to talk about visualization techniques. My visualization techniques are an attempt to interpret a group of people's ideas, thoughts, when they have been presented or posed a situation or a scenario for them to reflect upon, which is very much related to their own context. In this case, the question was about a future graduate of their education process, a process that had been modified to relieve some of the pressures, congestion pressures, on their placement part of their education. That process, well researched and well founded, is known as PEEP, or Peer Enhanced E-Placement. The time-lapse video that we're about to show you is the result of my interpretation of their thoughts, comments and contributions.
I'm inside, falling outside, taking only the things I like and the things I need and the things I lost before I knew. Set on the feeling, I could float it on command. Control the breathing when the fear tries to take a stand. Colored your hopes with my relentless, colored your eyes with explosive color skies, because I'm inside, falling outside, taking only the things I like and the things I need and the things I lost before I knew. Pull me near and you feel my innocent belief. Play on my fears, you'll see me drop from underneath. Filled your eyes with my excitement, filled your soul with my hopes.
So you've had a chance to watch the time-lapse video now, and I guess it's time for me to try and explain myself a little. I'm only going to talk briefly about some of the features of the image because we actually took a second shot at it after I had thought long and hard about some of the contributions that I've been given. However, this first image carries a lot of information, as most pictures do. Some key features are that the graduate emerges, having been doused in this case, with a lot of different flavours and colours and attributes and qualities and characteristics, most of which the contributors wanted to see featured in the image. Some of it is very mechanical. There are big tanks that pump certain liquids up through the ramp that the student emerges along. Some are sprayed on top of them. In the bottom right-hand corner is a very lame looking engine, and the reason it's lame is because it represents investment in ICT in the particular domain that these people work in, which was considered to be poor, and yet it's a place where investment in IT would make great savings. So those are just some of the features of the drawing. Please enjoy it. It's never going to be a draftsman's delight. That's not what these are about. They're about capturing people's ideas and doing just enough to trigger their thoughts. We hope always with these images that what they do is they take it away and it constantly reminds them of what they promised themselves they were going to do.